scene 10, go!
Hi, my name is Kerry Caldwell and this is Zia Cooking. I am so excited and glad you could join me today. I've always wanted to share my delicious recipes with all my friends and family, and now I can, because Zia Cooking is the place where we're going to come together, we're going to learn more about cooking, and I am going to share with you all the amazing stories that I've learned from my family, from my ancestors, from our heritage. We'll be talking about recipes from northern New Mexico all the way to southern New Mexico. Zia Cooking is where it's at. We're gonna get together, we're gonna share recipes, we're gonna have fun, and we are gonna bring dinner to the table.
Here, take one.
The next delicious summer cocktail I'm going to be sharing with you is a red beer. Since it's date night, I wanted to make my honey one of his special drinks tonight to go with my delicious Paloma. First thing I want to do is pop in a couple of cold glasses or a couple of glasses into the freezer to get cold and icy. And we're going to go ahead and start this easy recipe. I know that everybody has their favorite way of making red beer, but I'm going to show you a way to make a very spicy, hot, tasty red beer. Comes together very quick. And we're gonna first start by rubbing the rim of this nice frosted glass with some lime. I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze the half of the juice in there. I shouldn't have done that because I forgot I was gonna salt my rim. And we're gonna go ahead and go back to my basics. And we're gonna go ahead and salt. I'm using a Chile lime salt here. And you can buy these pre-made at the bar, or you can simply just add in your own lime salt and some chili, and I also have my special ingredient, which is celery salt. I like that fresh celery burst when we're having Bloody Marys or bloody beers, or this is sometimes called. Now, one thing I also like to call it is my man mimosa, because this is acceptable all over the state of New Mexico for people to pop open a little bit of clamato or spicy V8 and add it into their beer. If you haven't taken time to subscribe, I want you to do that today. Click on the button subscribe and make sure you give me a thumbs up if you enjoy these recipes. And I'm really excited to get some feedback from all of you. There's nothing more fun than seeing you make this in your home and telling me what you think, and then also giving me some feedback. Now that we have this icy mug prepared with our spicy salt on top, I went ahead and I squeezed the lime and dumped it back into my tomato juice. But I'm going to be using a spicy V8. You can use what you like, but we don't want to add too much. The key to this is that it still has a really good beer taste, and I like things spicy, so we're going to go in with another and another and maybe one more just for a kick. And we're going to use a nice dark amber beer today. I like to use this, it really enhances the flavor of the tomato in here, and let's go ahead and pour that today. Oh. Something about the smell of beer in summertime, it's a big old smile on this girl's face. Perfect. Everything came together just fine. Now with this beautiful red beer combined with my lovely Paloma, date night is gonna be fabulous. I'm gonna go ahead and put out some chips and salsa. No party is complete without some chips and salsa. And I look forward to seeing you guys at the next party. Thanks for joining us at Zia Cooking. Have a great day.